Hey friends, let's talk about something that doesn't get mentioned enough when we talk about healing from emotional abuse. We always hear about therapy, mindset work, and boundaries, and those are so important. But there's one missing piece that most people forget: your body. Because healing isn't just something that happens in your mind, it happens in your body too. Section 1. Why your body disconnects. If you've been through emotional abuse, your body probably went into survival mode. Maybe you feel constantly tense even when nothing's wrong. Or maybe you feel numb, like you're disconnected from your own feelings. That's your nervous system saying, "I don't feel safe yet." It's like your body's been on high alert for so long it forgot how to relax. Pause for a second. Take a breath with me. Notice, are your shoulders tight? Are you holding your breath without realizing it? That's where healing begins, by noticing. Section 2. The missing step. Reconnecting with your body. So what does it actually mean to reconnect with your body? It's not about forcing yourself to get over it. It's about teaching your body that it's safe again. Here are a few gentle ways to start. Notice your sensations. Just ask yourself, what am I feeling right now, without judging it? Ground yourself. Place your hand over your heart. Feel your breath move. That's you, alive, present. Move gently. Stretch, walk, dance. Remind your body it's yours, and it's okay to feel. Rest without guilt. Healing happens when your body finally feels safe enough to rest. These small steps slowly rebuild trust between you and your body. Section 3. Healing is a full-body journey. Here's the truth. Healing from emotional abuse isn't just about understanding what happened to you. It's about coming back home to yourself. Your body remembers your pain, yes, but it also remembers peace. And the more you listen to it, the more safety you create within. Every deep breath, every moment of awareness is a step toward freedom. Let's recap real quick. Healing isn't just mental, it's physical too. Your body has been protecting you all this time. And now it's ready to be your partner in peace. So here's your gentle reminder. Check in with your body today. Take one slow, intentional breath and just notice how you feel. That's the start of reconnection. If this message spoke to you, go ahead and like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more healing and self-trust content. Remember, your healing starts the moment you come home to yourself.